Now we'll get into the more complex tool that's included in Aviation Finalize. This Vis Adds New Weather tool will put fog in your weather grids wherever you have low visibility. So say you get your visibility from the models, or if you manually create it, it will go ahead and add your fog into your weather grid. Alright, so take our visibility grid where we have an axis of very low visibility over the center of our CWA. I'm just going to run it for the 0 to 1Z time period, and for this demonstration, recall that we had the dew point set to 33, the dew point to 32. So this dew point depression allowance of 3 degrees will work out fine. Wherever the visibility is less than 5, it'll set it to patchy fog, but wherever it's less than 1, it'll set it to areas, and wherever it's less than a quarter mile, it'll set it to widespread. And also built into Aviation Finalize, it will set it to dense because of its value. So let's focus in on the weather grid and how it changes when we run this tool. Notice that fog was added to our weather grid, and wherever we had fog in the 1 to 5 mile range, it added patchy fog. And wherever we had it in the 0.25 to 1 mile range, it put areas of fog. And then right in the center where we had less than a quarter mile, it put widespread dense fog. I'm going to revert this here, and we will run it for a scenario with haze. Wherever the visibility is less than 5, or let's say less than 3 in this case, you can just adjust the slider bar. It will add an area of haze. So our visibility is right here. So anywhere less than 3 SM, it added haze. And then we can revert this and apply Vis Adds New Weather to smoke. And you can adjust these values as well. So maybe I don't have any definite smoke. I just want areas of smoke wherever the visibility is less than 1. The slider bars can be a little bit tricky here, but we'll just run it with these values. So look, I have just areas of smoke. I don't have any areas of patchy. So you can see how if you manipulate the slider bars, they can give you what you'd like. And then one more piece of information. We'll revert this here. Let's go back to creating fog. And when I create Vis Adds New Weather for fog, if I'm at an office where we are running any of the POUT methodology or forecast builder, the background configuration can be set up so that it creates your grids for fog, haze, or smoke for forecast builder or any of the probability of weather type methodology. And so you notice that your POT fog grids are created when this is run with this feature activated in the background. So now we'll move on to some more tools.